What is muscular strength, endurance, and flexibility? Muscular strength is the maximal force your muscles can exert in a single effort. Muscular endurance is the ability to sustain or repeat muscular activity over time. Flexibility describes the range of motion of muscles at the joint. How does FitnessGram assess muscular strength, endurance, and flexibility? FitnessGram combines muscular strength, endurance, and flexibility into one fitness category to assess how well the musculoskeletal system functions. FitnessGram recommends tests of the upper body and the abdominal trunk areas because of their relationship to activities of daily living, good posture, and back health. The test items and methods are carefully selected to be safe, consistent, and accurate. Why is musculoskeletal fitness important? Musculoskeletal fitness can help you perform daily activities more easily, reduces the risk of injury, strengthens bone, increases muscle mass, and improves heart risk factors, healthy back function, and posture. Most important, adequate levels of fitness in youth can carry forward into adulthood, preventing health concerns and improving your quality of life. Can I improve my musculoskeletal fitness? Many factors influence fitness testing scores, including age, gender, and heredity. But calisthenics and other strengthening and stretching activities may help you improve your musculoskeletal fitness score. You can improve your overall health and fitness by being physically active for at least 60 minutes every day and practicing good nutrition habits. Healthy behaviors developed in childhood and maintained over time lead to healthy, active adults. Remember, health and health-related fitness are for everyone, for a lifetime, and it's personal. Choose activities you enjoy and stay active.